Dharma, he's my favourite.
Dharma?
Yeah.
Dharma was a fucking fairy. Bundy. And that's a real killer.
Yeah, he's a necrophiliac too.
Body count of over 30. That's real poetry. Second to only Lecter.
Lecter.
Yeah.
Hannibal Lecter.
Yeah, that's the one.
Mate, I think you're getting fiction confused with reality again.
What do you mean?
Well, Hannibal Lecter's based on a real serial killer called Ed Gein.
Ed Gain.
Not Ed Gein, Ed Gein.
Eddie Gain.
No, not. It's not Eddie Gein. It's not Ed Gein. It's Ed Gein.
Gain.
No, it's Gein. I'm telling you, it's Gein. All right?
We both agree that.
Well, that he's the shit.
Yeah. Imagine having him redecorate your living room.
Yeah, now, what an honor that would be. What are you doing?
What?
You're throwing away the net, and that's my favorite part, and you know that.
Your favourite part?
Yeah, it's my favorite part.
My favourite part of the legs, and you threw those away last week.
Yeah, well, you should have stepped up and said something, then, shouldn't you?
Yeah. As long as I get the breast.
No, you don't get the breast this time because I'm getting it. You got them last time. You took both of them.
We'll roll for it.
You want to roll for it? The whole lot. Go and get the die. Go on. Go and get the die. Once a win if you're nice, I'll let you keep one of the rest. Alright. 1 to 3, I keep the lot. 4 to 6, you keep the lot.
Roll. We're done here.
Yeah, we're done.
Did you preheat the oven?
No, I told you to do it.
Oh my